Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 81 Clayton Street in Rochester, a stunning brick ranch property in great condition. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a look inside. Looks can be deceiving with this ranch home, boasting over 1,600 square feet, with 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Newer windows bring light inside, from the white and bright kitchen to the rear sunroom. All with beautiful French doors and a new addition featuring a master with an ensuite bath, which could be a great in-law suite. What makes this home special is the private backyard, with an expansive deck overlooking the gardens, plus a 2.5-car garage with additional loft storage. Clayton Street is a private dead-end street within walking distance to the Port of Rochester and Charlotte, with Lake Ontario and beautiful sand beaches. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 81 Clayton Street in Rochester, a great brick ranch home. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Until next time, cheers to living here.